Empire University, build an AI agency on HighLevel. What is up, everyone? My name is Jack, and today we're going to go over how to create a new course in your membership community for your users to engage with, check out your video tutorials, and post comments, chats, do it all. So then what we're going to do is we're going to come over to the left side and we're going to select memberships in the left side toolbar. Then we're going to come up top and we're going to go to courses. We're going to select products. From there, we're going to cruise over the right side and select create a product. We're going to do start from scratch. Actually, you know what we're going to do? We're going to duplicate one. So let's go. I don't have a ton. Let's go to the sales one. See where it says clone right here? So we're going to get these three dots and we're going to go clone, current location, clone. Okay, so we're going to come in here, let it process, and then we'll go in and edit all the details. Hit a quick refresh. All right, come in here. We're going to select those three dots and we're going to go edit details. What this is going to be, we are going to membership community and courses. This course, you'll learn how to use the membership community and create new courses. Okay, and this is pretty cool because it is like a school community, and what's nice about this is it allows you the ability to have that free community where people can come check out what you do. So if you're using a community or you're paying for a community, I mean, you can get the entire power of Go HighLevel and communities for cheaper than most communities. All right, we're going to come down here and we're going to remove this old image. And we're going to select image, upload a new file, choose file. Right here, we just made this one. I'm going to put this green icon on there to differentiate for the membership community courses so people can learn that. And it's easy to identify when they get into my community. And click upload there. So we got customization, instructor, your boy. Good. All right, we're going to click save. Product updated. So we're going to go back to products. We're going to select it. And now we're going to go in here. Actually, that's fine. We're going to be using all of those anyway. So create a new course. Let's go. New course. After you upload a image, make sure your course is saved and you will be good to go on to the next course. I will make sure and save this video, but in order to upload a YouTube video to your new course, what we're going to do is we're going to space that out a little bit, and then I'm going to come up here and I am going to select the embed media. I would select the YouTube and put in the URL right there, which we can grab. Here is a demo, but we will paste in that YouTube URL, click confirm, and your new course with your new lesson and YouTube video will be ready to go. When you see this, this will be the actual video in the course, but I wanted to give you an example. If you see this live on LinkedIn or Twitch, make sure you in the chat, say what up, join Empire University and get started today with HighLevel at theAIEmpires.com.